Hi, my name is Michelle. This is My Meaningful Life. I have exciting news to tell you guys. I have beat my first weight loss goal. I have back in January of 2019. I set a goal of 257. Now I started out as a weight of 275, so I thought 257 would be a good goal to start with. So I set this goal and didn't really start actively trying to lose weight until about August of 2019. And since then, I have now reached my weight loss goal, my first weight loss goal. I have beat it and I've gone over it. So that's exciting news, number one. Number two, that makes a weight loss goal of 21 pounds. I didn't think I'd ever say that. I actually lost 21 pounds just by doing meal prepping. That's why I wanted to share it with you guys. I wanted to come on here and share it with you, and if just one person can benefit from it, I will have felt really good about it. I also wanted to track my weight loss journey and take you guys along with it. Without further ado, let's get into the video. If you're new to me, welcome. My name is Michelle, and this is My Meaningful Life. Okay, so here I'm going to make my chicken salad sandwich. I put it into a bento box, but you can put it on bread or whatever you prefer. You're gonna need a cucumber, radish, 1 carrot, 2 small pickles, Greek yogurt, a bowl, a knife, chicken, I use a chicken thigh, and mustard. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt to a bowl. I realize now that that bowl was way too small. And then I'm going to cut up the pickles. I'm going to cut up into very small, fine pieces so that I can have a pickle in every bite. I'm using sweet pickles, but you can always use dill, or you can actually use some pickle relish. It is all up to you. After I've cut this pickle up, I'm going to do the same with the carrot. Shout out to Jen Chapin, who helped me realize that I need to wash all my vegetables and my produce. She showed me that not everything is clean, and I will leave her link down below. She has a beautiful channel. I'm going to do the same with the carrots. I'm going to cut up this carrot into small chunks, and I'm adding that to the bowl. You're also going to need chopped onions. Shout out to Jen Morrell. She's always talking about eyeballing school. I'll also put a link down below for her channel. She's got a beautiful channel as well. I'm going to cut up the bottom of this celery stalk, and I'm going to wash it. Jen, thank you. You are a lifesaver. I'm going to do the same thing with the celery. I'm going to put it into bite-sized pieces. Next, I'm going to get out my chicken thigh. I'm just going to take the meat off the bone and I'm going to shred it up. Here's where I realized I put it into a too small of a bowl. So I went ahead and I transferred it into a large bowl and added some mustard because I realized it wasn't as creamy as I thought it would be. So I added some mustard and also added some flavor, so I was okay with that. I put it into a bento box. I call this as a bento box, but it's a meal prep container as well. But I'm going to also put some sliced cucumbers and some radish along with some crackers. I realize now that the crackers should have been put in afterwards, and I should have cut this chicken salad in half because it was way too much food. The crackers got soggy after a while. Okay, here it is. The cucumbers, the radishes, the crackers, and the chicken salad. Hope you enjoy. If you will actually try this recipe, comment below, and we'll see you next time. Have a great week.